Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and connect your iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So we have the vacuum plugged in and charging on the station right here. We also have the iRobot app downloaded, so go ahead and make sure you have the iRobot app downloaded. It's a free app available for iOS and Android devices. Once you have it downloaded, sign in or create your account. Then you'll be at this screen where you probably won't have any devices set up. We have a couple Roombas already connected to our account, but very simple to add your new vacuum. Top right hand corner, select add your product from the drop down menu. Now we can allow network access here, and it's going to search for nearby products. So we'll give it a second and we'll see if anything shows up. Sure enough, there it is, Roomba Combo. We can select setup. We also have the option to scan a QR code or manually select your product. In our case, we're going to select the top option to set it up. Now it's working on connecting. We just had a light change there. Press your robot's button to connect to your phone. We just pressed it, had a nice little chime. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. If you're having trouble here, make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network and proceed. Now it's connecting to your robot. Just got two chimes right there. We're connected to the Wi-Fi and the password's been verified. Now we're waiting on that cloud connection. It hasn't even been a minute yet. And there we go. We got our final chime and tune right there. Our robot is successfully connected. Literally less than a minute from start to finish there. We can select continue. We can name it here. So we'll just do 10. Setup's complete. It's loading our experience. And welcome to the world of your Roomba. Let's select next. And now it's taking us into our device right here with our getting started option up at the top. Start your first vacuum and mop job. Opt into optical image capture to improve cleaning behavior around specific areas or objects. Some recommendations here. So you have a couple things up at the top. And here's a quick look at the unit all set up and ready to go with that first prompt up on the screen, letting us know it needs to make a map. So put it where you want it, get it all set up, and then you can go ahead and select next, and you're all set and ready to go to start using your Roomba.